Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. In today's video, we're going to do a refresh for the guest bathroom. We typically don't use this bathroom a lot, only when guests come over, but it does get dusty, so I decided to just go ahead and give it a little refresh, and I did buy a couple items that I wanted to put in here.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I wanted to let you guys know I started using a brand called Barkeeper's Friend, and I had never heard of this. I saw it on another YouTuber's channel, and I cannot remember her name, but I started using the soft cleanser, which is in liquid form, and I really do like those products. I also use a cleanser, which is in a powder form. I use it in the tub, and I'm telling you, you know how your tub looks when it's brand new? That powder cleanser that I use, it actually made it look brand new again. So I love these products. So I'm sure I'll be using these products for a while. And of course, I'm using microfiber towels. And I got those towels from Home Goods. Also, I will link the Barkeeper's Friends products in the description box below if you guys wanted to actually just try it out. You guys know I love using my sponge and my squeegee just to clean my mirrors. I really just find that using soap and water and a squeegee and a sponge to get my mirrors clean just works better for me. So that's what I do. If you kind of look at the bottom of the mirror there, it typically gets really dirty because my daughter comes in here and washes her hands when she's playing. And all I use is soap and water, guys. That's it to get this mirror clean.
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego.
And actually, I use it on all my mirrors in the house.
Your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble acting, everlasting ego.
It's that simple. And there's no streaks or anything on there.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Uh-huh. 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm.
And I use the Myers just to give it a clean and also to make it smell fresh. I use the honeysuckle Myers.
We can pretend that we have changed, yeah, but who are we kidding? Kidding.
And I'm just wiping the dust off of everything. These faux flowers were already in here, so I'm just wiping them down. It does accumulate a lot of dust on these plants.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for more.
So this is a new item that I got from Home Goods. And I just love the fact that it's a hand soap and a lotion, and it comes with a little tray. I just thought that was so cute. And it's coconut and honey. I haven't actually tried it, so it looked cute, and they had a bunch of different scents there, so I love that. And it came with a little towel. And I think I'll just use that as a decoration. I actually do have a regular towel that I put in there for guests to dry their hands off, because that towel is actually pretty small.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
I did go and purchase some curtains from IKEA for the bathroom. I like for my shower tub combo to look like it's a window. So that's why I always purchase curtains for the bathrooms. That way you can actually find the look that you truly want, because of course they don't have these in shower curtains, so you have to go with curtains. These curtains are 84 inches long, and I will put that in the description box also if you guys are interested. I do have to get a steamer and steam these curtains because I did bleach and wash them, and I just haven't had a chance to actually steam the wrinkles out of them. And I just use a stick pin to pin the tie into the wall. So nothing fancy. I just pinned it into the wall. I didn't think about this, so I will have to find a shower curtain, a long shower curtain to go on the inside of the tub. That's why you see that bar sticking out right there, because the shower curtain that I have is just an average size shower curtain. So I'll have to find one So I guess I'll look on Amazon and see if I can find something that's really tall. That way I can make it flush with the curtains up top.
Together, you, oh, you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car to live best because
I was just trying to make sure that it looked the same on both sides.
the trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
And I just had this little makeup tray in my bathroom and I wasn't going to use it anymore, so I decided to put it in here and just put some old little balls that I had around the house into the basket since I was going with the color dark brown anyway. So it actually worked out perfect. And these flowers, I had them on a faux flower plant and I just picked the actual petals off and I spray painted them off white just so it can blend in with everything. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and hang the towels and give you guys a quick overview of how the bathroom looked when I was done with everything. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. If you are watching my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and consider doing so. And also, don't forget to hit the like button. I will see all you guys in the comment section. And thank you so much for rocking with me. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.